Hey friends, welcome back to my channel. This is Blanca with Creativities Galore, and today we will be making these felt Halloween treat bags. We're going to start by cutting the felt into 3 inches by 3 inches. You're going to need 2 squares for each little treat bag. Next, I'm going to place some Cricut iron-on vinyl to this Cricut Joy mat, shiny side down, and I will use this to cut out some faces for the treat bags. I used my phone to do the little faces. Now here I'm just going through the process of getting the machine to cut out the Cricut iron-on vinyl. I'm just going to load the mat into the Cricut Joy and just click go on my phone. Make sure to mirror your image. Forgot to let you know that at the beginning. Since it is iron-on, you will need to mirror those images. Now we just unloaded the mat, put the Cricut Joy to the side. So now I just need to weed out the Cricut iron-on vinyl that I don't need. This one's they're super easy. They're just little faces. There's no intricate design or anything, so that's it. That's all the weeding I had to do. Now I turned on my Cricut Easy Press Mini, set it to low. While that was heating up, I put the treat bags together. I ended up just using hot glue because I already had my hot glue gun heated up and on. But you could also easily sew 3 sides together. Either method is really easy and gets the job done. Now my squares are ready for their little faces. There's a little pocket. Just measuring that I did the face the correct size. I'm preheating the felt a little bit with my Cricut Easy Press Mini. And now I will iron that on. Just make sure to constantly keep moving the Cricut Easy Press Mini. It's not like the other easy presses where you just hold it in place. You will need to constantly keep moving it. Now I'm just going to set it to the side because it is a peel off once it's cooled down. So while that one's cooling down, I'll just do the next one, which is a jack-o'-lantern. Same thing, preheat the felt a little bit, put the face down, and then just iron that on at a constant movement. That other one. See, now it's cooled down, so it's ready to peel. That one wasn't ready, so just wait. And now it was cooled down, peeling off that carrier sheet, and they're done. That's it. Now I'm just going to fill them up. I ended up going a non-candy route, but it can easily fit a fun size candy in there. I just did these little things that I had on hand. I think it turned out so cute. Thank you so much for watching, and please make sure to like and subscribe. It really helps out my channel. And I will see you guys for our next craft. Bye!